Hi friends, in this session we learn how to multiply two consecutive numbers easily in one step. So let's take an example to get a clear idea about this topic. Let's take an example like this, 14 into 15. So how to calculate these two numbers? So avoid traditional method friends. So just concentrate on this method. So these two numbers 14 and 15 are consecutive to each other. Okay, so we can do this like so. Just take the small number from this. So small number means 14 and square it and add small number. So 14 square plus 14 is equal to 210. So 210 is our answer. So what we done here, if we have two consecutive numbers and we want to multiply those two numbers, for example 14 and 15, so just take small number from that and square it and add small number to that. So our answer, the final output is here. So 14 into 15 would be 210. If you want to take the big number, just take the big number 15 and square it and subtract it from big number. If you want to take the big number, just take the big number and subtract the big number. So the result also same result, 210. So 15 square is 225 minus 15, it is also the same result, 210. If you want to take the small number, just take the small number and square it and add small number. If you want to take the big number, just take the big number and subtract it to the big number. So that is the main process. So calculation of any two consecutive numbers multiplication is very easy. So let's take another example to get a clear idea about this topic. So let's take an example like this, 25 into 26. So how to calculate this? So apply the same procedure what we done previously. So take small number from this and square it and add small number. So 25 square plus 25, so 625 plus 25 would be 650. If you want to take the big number, just take the big number and square it and subtract it to the big number. So 26 square would be 676. 26 square is 676 minus 26 also same result, 650. If you don't know how to calculate squares, go and watch my previous videos. I explained very clearly. So in that, so you may get clear about idea about this square topic. So hope you like this session, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and share this to your friends. Thank you. Hope you like the session. Thank you.